For those of you who watched parts 1, 2, and 3 of our video series on how to make better marine canvas faster, there may still be some unanswered questions. For example, how do you deal with cutouts for cleats, flaps, flanges, grommets, snaps, or zippers? Or perhaps zippers in which the length spans across multiple pattern pieces. All of these items are common marine canvas features. Fortunately, there's an easy way to prepare your designs so that they can be easily fabricated. The first step is to capture the geometry and location of these features with the Proliner. Here is the point and curve network, clearly demarcating the locations of certain features. There are locations on either side to accommodate cleats and points at the top where there should be holes in the canvas. Now we'll use ExactFlat's trace command to trace the locations and transfer them to the flat patterns. Here are the steps as it relates to tracing the cleat marker shown on the panel below. To make it easier, we'll select the mesh and change it to another color. This will make it easier to see the cleat marker on the background color. There we go. Next, we'll project the feature we want to trace onto the panel. We select the Project Command button on the surface and then press Enter. The cleat projection will then turn yellow, indicating it has been projected onto the surface. Next, we're going to flatten the panel in question. To do this, we use the ExactFlat Flatten command. We select the Flatten icon, then select the panel to be flattened and press Enter. In our layer panel, we can see a new layer has been added. Now we'll use the ExactFlat Trace tool to trace the cleat marking that we projected earlier and trace it onto the flat pattern. First, we select the Trace tool, the pencil icon. Then we select the item to be traced, in this case the cleat marking. Then we select the surface onto which the marking should be traced. A dialog box will pop up with an adjustable setting, which will change to 830, and press Enter. And now the cleat marking has been traced onto the flat pattern. In this way, we can trace any curve onto any surface and transfer the tracing from 3D part to 2D flat pattern. Let's have a look at this marking on the 2D pattern. Let's just turn off these layers. Change our viewport to top viewport, zoom in, and there we can see the panel piece with the marker traced onto it. This will appear as a layer in the DXF and can be used for cutting, or it can be used as a marking with the pen tool on a cutter or on a plotter. And that's how we do it.